Hi friends, this is Danisha and welcome to my channel Diane's Paradise. Hope you all are doing good. In this video, I'm sharing my go-to recipe of chocolate cupcake. I'll be also sharing the trick to achieve perfect top on the cupcakes without cracks in this video. Here, I've frosted them with dark chocolate ganache. You can do any frosting of your choice or have them without frosting as it is as well. They are going to taste equally good. The measure I have shown in the video will make 12 medium-sized cupcakes. So without further delay, let's quickly check out the ingredients. First, let's see the dry ingredients. We'll need half cup of all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup of cocoa powder, 3/4 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/8 teaspoon of baking soda, a pinch of salt, 3/4 cup of powdered sugar. Mix and then sieve them through a strainer to remove any lumps. This mixture can be stored in a jar as a cupcake premix and can be used whenever needed by simply adding the remaining wet ingredients. For the wet ingredients, we'll need 1/4 plus 1/8 cup of hot boiling water. To this, add half tablespoon of coffee powder. Adding coffee powder is completely optional. Then we will need 1/8 cup of melted butter and 1½ egg. Because we'll need 1½ egg, I have kept both the eggs in two separate bowls. Now take a large mixing bowl. Put the dry ingredients in it and also the melted butter, eggs. So this is the first egg I'm adding. Second egg, because we will need half, just a drop, that's it. 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Give a quick mix to the eggs and the butter. Now add the hot coffee little by little and mix till everything is well combined. Clean the sides of the bowl once and mix for one last time. The batter is ready. Here I have taken a cupcake tray lined with cupcake liners. Using a 1/8 measure cup, I am pouring the batter equally into them. This batter will make 12 medium-sized cupcakes. If your oven is small or you have only one tray like this, then you can bake them in 2 batches. Just keep the batter covered until needed. I have some silicone molds. I'm using them for the remaining batter to bake. On top you can put choco chips or chocolate pieces or nuts of your choice. Now for the perfect top, bake in a preheated oven at 170 degrees Celsius. For the first 10 minutes in bake mode with only the lower coil on. Now you can see this is in the bake mode for the first 10 minutes at 170 degrees Celsius. After 10 minutes, we will change the mode to convection where both the top and the bottom coil will be working. Where this will bake for another 5 minutes. After 15 minutes, they are perfectly baked and out of the oven. You can see the top is looking perfect without any cracks. Let this cool down completely before frosting. I'm making whipped dark chocolate ganache for frosting, for which I've taken 100 grams of fresh cream which is in room temperature. Heat the cream for 30 seconds in a microwave or double boiler. To the hot cream, add 200 grams of dark chocolate and mix. Once this comes to the room temperature, cover and keep in the fridge for at least 20 minutes to set. After 20 minutes, using an electric blender, blend this for about 1 minute on high speed. Once done, transfer the ganache to a piping bag with the nozzle of your choice. Here I am using open star nozzle. Pipe the ganache on all the cupcakes and use your favorite sprinkles to decorate. If you're liking this recipe, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such recipe videos. If you're gonna try this recipe of easy peasy chocolate cupcake, then don't forget to share me your feedback in the comments below. Now let me take one and show you how they are looking from inside. They are chocolatey, moist and perfectly sweet balanced, and also very simple to make. These can be stored in fridge for about 5 days in an airtight container. Hope you all liked and enjoyed this video. See you all soon with another exciting recipe video. Till then, take care and bye bye.